कुछ मत बोल मेरे भाई, कुछ मत बोल अंदर पड़ो। चलो हट जाता आप लोग।
मारो मारो मारो। चलो चलो।
क्या कर रहे हैं यार?
खींचा खींचो खींचो।
पीछे आ जाओ, मैं भी पीछे। पीछे अरे भाई
थैंक यू।
अर्जुन एक मिनट क्या कर रहा है अर्जुन
ओके चलो चलो चलो।
क्यों ले रहा है अर्जुन? चलो अंदर कर लेते हैं। अरे यार
The very pretty, the very sensual Jacqueline Fernandez on stage! And the song Devana Arjun Rampal. Hi sir, welcome. I think they want a photo op, so we'll have a photo op. They would like to have pictures.
इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ।
Reliance guys, make some noise when you're stop.
सूरज डूबा है यारों लोग नशे के मारो हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything। भुला दो सारे घर बार के। For anything, I can give you everything। भुला दो सारे संसार के।
All right, we take seats. Hi, welcome Arjun. Great to have you here. And one more. माइक ले लूं वापस? एक सेकेंड माइक दे दो मैम. The photographers are very particular about the pictures. You're done? You're done? So I'll take it off. One more. You're done? Okay.
Solo picture.
Yeah. Okay. We're done? Thank you guys. Please take your seats. Thank you. Thank you, Jacqueline. Please take your seats. It's a pleasure to have you here. And we have Bhagwati there. And we thank you for, first of all, taking time off, coming here. The movie is just released today. Bumper opening. How does it feel? What was the feeling till yesterday night and what is the difference right now?
We're extremely excited because we've just watched the movie in Dubai and came back, and we've heard that it's taken a great opening. So that's what we were really hoping for, and that's what we really wanted. And we're excited now, you know, I mean, it's our first day, so we're just kind of...
Arjun, what about you?
Yeah, it's, hello everyone firstly. Yeah, it's lovely, you know, we just, as Jack saying that we finished Dubai, I came back and then I saw it with my family and friends yesterday and they all loved it. So the first stage is to get a good opening and you know then the audiences are excited about your film. It is a unique, different film. So yes, now we wait and see how tomorrow does and then day after does. And so we'll be just going through it. We are proud of the movie. And so, yeah, I'm really glad that the audiences have given us this kind of a start.
It should have been the music. They loved it. Did you love the music? We have... What about your reactions? They love the music there. Jacqueline, is it just getting hot in here? I don't know for what.
No, it's kind of cold actually.
No, it was a
Never mind,
compliment,
jacket.
a cheeky compliment at you that you're looking very pretty. So the style statement went up in this movie. What do you have to say about that? And you're doing a very unique role. I'm not opening it up for the audience as of now.
You've seen it?
No, I know about it because this is the work we
Okay,
do. So
cool.
I got to
Please
keep
go watch
myself
it.
updated.
No, we had a great team, great styling
Yeah.
team. I had to, I really didn't have to actually worry so much about that because they put these two phenomenal looks together so well and they made them so different from each other. And they were able to kind of bring out that, that feeling of Roy, the movie, because it is a very stylized film. And but yeah, I think I have to really kind of thank my entire styling team for that, putting it together.
And Arjun, whatever promos we saw, you're playing a very direct to the point a guy. Where did that come from? It's a total different role that you've seen you do.
Yeah, you try to look for different parts to do, I
Yeah.
think, as actors, and I think that's what Roy gave all the characters. You know, if it was Jacqueline doing Aisha and Tia, or Ranbir playing Roy, and for me to play this filmmaker called Kabir, who, you know, is quite a complex character. So, yeah, it was wonderful to go through his different emotions. It's come out really nicely. I'm very happy with it. And I'm getting some wonderful responses back. And that feels
Yeah, I bet all your family, friends, your fans must be bombarding you with messages. So, and I've also heard both of you are gadget freaks. So tell me, which is the gadget that you love the most? Jacqueline?
My phone.
Oh, your phone, yeah. The women and their phones.
Obviously.
There was a time when women and bags went together. Now it's women and their
No, no,
phones.
no, no. Now the phone is a style statement.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, they
actually good.
have bags that have special compartments for phones also. Yeah, everything.
Chains that you can hook your phone to. It
Yeah.
looks very cool.
And Arjun, what about you? We've heard that you're also quite a
I love
gadget
my
freak.
laptop, I love my phone, I love my iPad, I love my mixing equipment,
Okay.
I love all of that.
Yep. And you've been out here. I'd just like to draw your attention to all the screens out there. They were all playing Roy from morning. And you've been out here with us at our store. That's right. They've all been
It's
playing
not
Roy.
pirated or anything, no?
No. We have a splitter, so we play one into many.
Okay.
And we've been playing your songs. How's your experience being out here with us here at Reliance Digital?
Oh, it's lovely. I mean, it's so great to come now and see so many wonderful electronic gadgets all over. You can walk into a store, you've got so much to choose from. It's very well organized and you have a great staff. I've come here before and I've picked up some stuff from you as well.
So he's come here before. Make some noise for Arjun Rampal, guys. Where's the noise? Jacqueline, how's your experience being out here with us? And then a second part of this question. How's the experience being out here with us at Reliance Digital?
Well, there's a lot of things I've actually seen which I would like to kind of buy.
Okay.
So
The store manager's happy. You can see the cash register ringing.
no, but you guys are gifting it to me, right?
Okay, we didn't get that. Sorry, that didn't come on the air. We'll edit that portion out.
A few things, just a few things. Don't
Just
worry.
a few ones?
Yeah,
Okay.
gadgets here.
So we'll get you something. So just tell me, which is one gadget that you'd like to take away from here for Valentine's Day?
I want that really big screen Mac computer. That
Okay.
one, the Apple.
The big one? Okay.
The biggest one.
Guys, you know what to pack up right now. And
And
what
if
about
there's any big screen TVs, I'll take also this.
the big screen TVs? Okay, we all love television. And what about you, Arjun? What would you like to take away from here?
I don't know, I'm going to go have a look around after this.
you'll have a look
I'll
around?
see what all you have and then I'll make my list.
The store manager just fainted.
Where is he? I'd like to meet him.
Okay, so thank you for being here with us. We ran a small contest out here, and we have some winners which we ran on a Facebook contest with us, and we'd like to call them on stage and just have a quick photo op. And once from there on, we'd like to move on to the open house question from the media. So can I have my winners, please, on stage? Get in touch with us on Facebook. Take regular part in our contests, and we have a photo op. Welcome. Sir, you can balance that side, right? One more. Yeah. Jacqueline, more questions coming your way. The winners, yeah. And you can smile, guys. Half of them are like tongue-tied. Come on, you're on stage today. It's your day. Out here. Thank you. Hello, selfie mode on. Thank you. You'll get the official pictures. We'll send you the